peeps! In this short video, matututunan nyo kung paano gawing mas matalino ang block creation gamit ang Smart Blocks Search and Convert sa AutoCAD. Dati, geometry lang ang kaya nitong i-convert, pero ngayon, kasama na ang text variations like room numbers at labels. Kung sawa ka na sa paulit-ulit na manual block cleanup, this update is about to save you serious time and sanity. We just opened a floor plan sample drawing file here. Paano nga ba natin magagamit si Smart Blocks Search and Convert? Just to give you a quick context, kapag sinabi nating Smart Blocks Search and Convert, powered siya by the Autodesk AI. Meaning to say, gumagamit siya ng AI technology para ma-identify exploded blocks or geometries to convert it into either existing or new block. At sa example na to, we will convert this exploded room number to either existing or new block. And as you can see, as I hover the cursor here, it highlights separate geometries. Now, what I wanna do is to go to the Home tab and look for the block panel. Ngayon, si block panel, as we hover our cursor here, makikita natin si Search and Convert. Magbibigay si AutoCAD ng definition or kung ano yung magiging functionality ng ating tool na si Search and Convert. We can also type in yung bsearch kasi formerly, ang command na ginagamit dito is bconvert. But with the latest version, which is the AutoCAD 2026, you only have to type in bsearch. And as I click enter, isa-select natin yung geometries na gusto nating i-convert into either existing or new block. And as you can see here, it prompts us to do so. As I select it and press enter, nakita nyo na lahat ng instances of the same geometry ay na-highlight. Meaning to say, AutoCAD is able to identify or specify the geometries that you can convert into either existing or new block. Now, we have to click the convert. And as we convert it, makikita natin kung ilang instances ang meron sa specific geometry na sinelect natin. Currently, we have 99 total instances of this room number. And we can also include the existing blocks, the text variations, and we can also define now the attribute tags. For instance, I want to name it something like RMB or RM, NMBR. And of course, we have to remove the space and just click OK. We can also type in the block name that we prefer for this specific geometry. So I'll just name it as room number. And of course, we are also allowed to assign the block to a layer. Since we're talking about the room number, we'll look for the room number layer. Now, I can either choose to convert it into either existing or new block. But for this one, I'll go for new block and just simply click convert. And as you can see, all the instances ng ating primary geometry ay now converted into blocks. That's how we work with Search and Convert with AutoCAD. Kung paulit-ulit na geometry plus text ang trabaho mo, huwag mo nang ulitin ang effort mo. Let AutoCAD do the thinking. With Smart Blocks Search and Convert, mas kaunting manual work, mas consistent ang data, at mas ready ang drawings mo for schedules and updates. Work smarter, not harder. Once again, this is Lay, your AutoCAD geek. CAD your way to creativity. Kita-kits sa susunod!